here. All right. Oh, almost squished the chipmunk.
Everybody comes right there.
Let's see if I can do this one. Nope. Almost. Oh, these little technical side shoots are awesome. Oh yeah. That's a 5. Okay, this is a bit chunky for a hardtail across country. Okay. Whoa! Okay. All right, so what do we have ahead of us?
Scary.
Scary stuff?
Scary.
Yeah.
I'd look at it first, yeah. No, seriously. Right around here, it goes, you'll see.
Okay, I'll try it. Let's see what we get here.
That's scary.
Yeah, it's a bit rocky.
See it? I'd like to do that.
That is pretty. Luckily it cleared up from the fires. You can see the whole lake now. Go. Oh yeah, that's fun. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come.
Okay. I made it some of that.
Okay. I don't think this guy's gonna happen today. You're either gonna hit your derailleur or you're gonna really hit your bash guard.
Even you.
I don't have a bash guard, so I just stopped. Yeah.
Maybe you track stand. You know, you hop up here.
Yeah.
So like you hop here, and then you know, hop this way, and then you hop off. One day.
How about you try it?
Yeah. That rock.
What kind of sandwich do you want to get today?
Ooh. I don't know.
I'm getting hungry. Okay, I'm just gonna go over the rock. Okay.
you get it?
Yeah.
I don't know how you just did that. How do you know to do that?
My dad and I used to go ride our local trails all the time. Herky Creek in California and or Idlewild, and it was just like this. Lots of little boulder obstacles. So we rode there every weekend. So that's how I learned how to ride on boulders. Oh my gosh. Going too fast there. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. That's a little scary. Here.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Do you have a good pump by chance?
I actually do. Oh yeah, no problem. I like this pump because it's got a little hose on it, so you can actually flip your bike over.
Oh, sure.
And I can hold it for you if you'd like.
I have a tool to tighten that.
Really? You do?
I think so. There it is.
Cool.
I also have CO2 if you do want to do tubes.
I don't hear
I'm
it
actually going to
leaking
go a
at
little
all.
naughtier.
Feels pretty good. Oh
That's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
yeah, not a problem.